Hello everyone, I'm in Module 6 and I wanted to make a quick video about finding company news and social responsibility for your company. Now, unfortunately, I'm assuming in January, Hoovers Online changed the complete look of their database. So I'm going to show you how to search in Hoovers right now. So we're going to click here to go to the library databases. And then we want books, journals, and articles, and we're going to scroll down to Hoovers Online. So we want to put our company name up in the search box, so I'm going to put Apple in there. Go to Apple Incorporated. Now on the left-hand side are all the things that you can get for Apple. You want to look at company description, and that'll give you an overview of everything about Apple. You might also want to look at the financial health, the financial reports. Any of that information might be helpful. We can also go here to news, and that will give you all the news on your company. You may be able to filter it by the term social responsibility. I don't know how well that's going to work. This is brand new database. Like I said, they completely changed the whole thing. We got 0 results, so that won't work. You'll just have to look through all of the news, and unfortunately, you get thousands and thousands of articles. Another helpful place to look might be the SWOT analysis, which will give you an overview, give you strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So that would be important to look at as well. And again, you can use anything on this side. If you want to know where the contact decision matrix is for Apple, that gives you all of their people, their senior level folks, and then all of their major departments and the folks in those. So that gives you an idea of the structure of the company. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. And again, you can go through all of the items on the left here to get important information. Thanks.